welcome back. It's now Friday, which actually is not just any Friday, it is Good Friday. I'm kind of using the most part of today just to crack on with arty illustration-y stuff as usual. Actually, Friday for me is no different except for a lot of food and less meat, kind of what happens. But I've got my tea, I'm ready to rock and roll with the day, and I've sort of prepared myself the list. It's only part of the list because the list is huge, but I didn't want to over challenge myself. I think I'll never complete the whole lot of this today anyway. I've already overshot, so leaving the rest of the stuff off the list is probably a good idea. So what I've been doing in the evenings earlier in this week is I've been working on making a zine out of my 2016 art, and I've laid out I found all the artwork. That was the first major challenge. I have moved since then, and it got put into various safe places, and to be honest with you, I didn't find it all anyway. I had to make a list and then hook back onto YouTube because I originally filmed 2016's Inktober every single day. That was insane. I'll never do that again. But that was very good that I had that there because I could not remember what I did or what order everything went into. So I used that heavily as reference for the zine, and luckily found computer scans, digitalized scans of the art from a long time ago. So yay. And it's all laid out. So yes, that's good. Good afternoon, guys. It is now Saturday. It is the Easter weekend. Whoop whoop. I had a moment of realization last night, and it's freaked me the hell out because I have my post-its on my wall of all the dates of my shows and things, but I knew that they were there, and I kept just thinking, oh, Leamington Comic Con is next month, and then all of a sudden I realised actually next month is only 2 weeks away. 2 weeks. So I've had to sit down and make a realistic list and hope for the best. Hey guys, it's Sunday. We haven't really done lots of exciting things for me to record for you today, but there will have been clips of sketchy ideas and stuff because I've had a bunch of fan art ideas, particularly for Alice in Wonderland. There is a list of other things I want to do, but Alice in Wonderland's like the main thing at the moment that I'm really keyed up for. So you'll probably see some kind of fan art speed paint type thing coming your way next week perhaps. I'm not sure. I haven't decided quite how things are going to go yet because things are very busy towards shows now. So there's shows lining up. So the closest one we've got is the 14th of April this month, which is Leamington Con. So if any of you guys are local and you want to visit a con, do feel free to drop by. I'll leave the link in the bio section below. The reason why I'm waving this about is because I just wanted to show you before I log off. I just wanted to show this to you before I sign out because I was very doubtful that this would do what it says on the tin. It basically says it's non-transferable and it will stay on your lips. And I've been trying it today and it's doing exactly what it says. And it's like a simple drugstore type lipstick basically. It's liquid, which I don't really like. I don't really usually like liquid lipsticks, but this is pretty good. Surprising, but it's a texture that I don't like because it's all like slippy. I was like, ugh. But yeah, seems pretty good. Once it's dry, it's perfect. But for now, guys, just keep doodling and I'll see you all next week. Bye! So thanks very much for watching, guys. Like if you liked and sub if you haven't. Just keep doodling. Bye!